If your Samsung Galaxy Buds4 Pro microphone isn't working during calls or recordings, you're not alone. Whether people can't hear you at all or your voice sounds muffled, here are the fast fixes to get them working again. If your buds aren't connecting automatically during calls, even if they're in your ears, try placing your buds back in the case, closing the lid for at least 7 seconds, and then taking them back out. Bluetooth can be finicky if your phone is too far away or the network is jammed. At least ensure your phone is close by while you're taking calls. Additionally, in the Wearable app settings, go to Manage Connections. Make sure that your phone call option is actually toggled on. If it's already on, try toggling it off and back on again to refresh the link. Also, if Seamless Earbud Connection is turned on, switch it off for now so it doesn't jump between devices during a call. If your earbuds keep disconnecting mid-calls, open the Wearable app, go to Advanced Features, then In-Ear Detection, and turn off In-Ear Detection during calls so it doesn't switch to your phone's mic when the earbuds move. And while you're on a call, be careful not to accidentally tap on the mic icon, as you might be muting yourself without realizing it. If it's connected but the other person keeps saying your voice isn't coming clear, let's look at the hardware. Check those tiny mesh-covered external microphone holes over and under your earbuds' wings. Dust or debris can easily get trapped inside, blocking your voice. Use a soft cloth or a dry cotton bud to gently clean the mic openings. Make sure nothing is covering them. If nothing else seems to work, open your Galaxy Wearable app. Go to Manage Connections and then reset the buds. If you're using the buds without the app, simply forget or unpair it, and in both cases, repair or connect it to the device of your choice again. And don't forget to cross-check all the app settings we've shown you once again. If there's no serious hardware problem, which we hope not, your Buds4 microphone problem on call will be solved. Thanks for watching till the end.